Hello, in front of me I have iPhone 17R, and in this video I'm going to show you all backup methods. Alright, so let's begin. First backup method that I'm about to show is backup using the iCloud. So to do it, open up your settings. Now click on your account above. Now scroll down a little, select your phone, click on that. Now wait a little bit, now click on iCloud backup and make sure that it's simply enabled right in here and right in here. I also highly recommend turning on the backup of mobile data. Now to create a backup, all we need to do is to click on backup now button. Then our backup will be made and it will be stored in our iCloud. But remember that you need to have some free storage space to simply create it. You can go back and go into your iCloud to see how much space you have left. If you don't have enough space, simply delete something from your iCloud to make some free space. Also, we need to remember that if you create that backup, it will be stored in that cloud, and if you would like to restore it in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Apple account on which you made your backup. So for example, during the setup process, you will have to log into the same account to restore your backup. That's the first option. Second option is by using the Mac, but don't worry if you don't have a Mac, we can always do it on the Windows computer. Now I'll show you how we can do it on the Mac, so let me only create a little bit of a space. Also, in my case, I will have to use a USB-C to USB-C cable because we will have to connect our iPhone into our Mac. So in here I need to make a little bit of the space. And now I'll get my Mac to show you, but also let me quickly connect my phone. That's what I'm about to do right now. So I'm taking my iPhone. Now I'll need to insert the cable, and now I need to do it also with the Mac. Okay. And now I'll place it just like that. And now if you are connecting your iPhone for the first time into a computer, something like that will appear. Trust this computer, simply click on trust. Now type your screen lock to confirm. As you take a look in here, what's that app actually? You need to launch the Finder. It's that icon right in here, Finder, simply click on that. And now select your iPhone in here on the left side. Now it's loading, so we need to wait a little. And in here below we have the backups. Now to create a backup, simply click on backup. Now you can also select backup all of the data on your iPhone to this Mac. We can select that option. And now click on backup now. You can see that the bar below appeared. And now on our iPhone, again, we need to type our code to confirm. Now in my case, it went bad, so simply click on try again. Now it should appear. On our phone. Okay, type the code. Okay, and on the downside, and now the bar is fulfilling, so it means that our backup is currently being created. So now we need to simply wait until it's finished. Okay, and now click on apply. And I should take a look right in here, last backup to this Mac. We have the date, and it's today, and next to it we can see the hour. So that means that our backup has been successfully created. That was the method how we can do it on the Mac. And now let me show you how we can do it on the Windows. So I'll launch the app on my PC and I'll show you the further steps. Okay, now I have launched my PC, and first we need to install the Apple Devices app from the Microsoft Store. To launch the Microsoft Store, simply open up your bar and type Microsoft Store. In here, simply click on that. On the bar on the top, type Apple Devices and install this app. And now we can open it. Okay, and now we need to connect our iPhone into the PC using the USB-C cable. So that's what I'm about to do. Simply plug it in. Okay, click on Trust, type the code. Okay, now wait a little. And now in here again we have the backups. Select backup all of the data on your iPhone to this computer and click on backup now. Again, type the code on your iPhone, I mean your screen lock. And now we just need to wait a little. Okay, the process has started. The bar is starting to fulfill, and now we need to simply wait until it's finished. Okay, and now I'll just take a look on this bar down below. We have our data, and now it's simply stored in our Apple Devices app. Alright, now that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.